Hi, good day. Today we're looking at the Progwhiz face recognition standalone version of the scanner. And what that means is it can work offline where internet is absent or an issue. Till such time internet is restored, you can post the history of the transactions to review historical information for audit purposes or just general reporting needs. So we're going to click. Right now you see everything is grayed out but get campaigns. Get campaigns refers to a department, company, sub-department, school, organization, and within there they will have different departments or classes, and you can select a particular department to validate faces on entry or exit to different areas or the compound or any aspect of the organization. So we click get campaigns. It gets a list of campaigns associated with these credentials. Choose a sample one that we have there. We will delay the refresh, so we will have a few seconds to digest the information that comes up. Check to see what cameras are connected. Right now just one. So start scanner is now not grayed out, so we're going to click it. It will engage the camera, take a picture, and compare it with the signatures on the database to see if they find a match. And if it finds a match, we present the picture and also the metadata, name, etc. associated with that face. So we click start scanner. Camera is engaged, it takes a picture, it found the person, presented the face as well as the information associated. And after the delay, it checks a scan again and success again. So there we have it.